today ay magda-dancing ulit tayo guys. Part 8 at part 9 naman to guys ng video ni Meran. Pero guys, kamusta po na kayo dyan? Guys, ako guys, okay 6 steps ngayon guys. Another 6 steps na video ni Meran. Another 6 steps. Guys, samahan nyo ulit ako guys mag-dance. Guys, tara, umpisahan na natin.
What we're going to do is pretty simple. You're just going to bend your knees, arms go out. So let's just start with arms real quick. You're going to go here, yeah? Open, point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So right arm properly in front of the left arm, yeah? Here we go with the bounce. The knees are just going to go bounce, 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 okay? So bend your knees, relax. You can lean your body back just a little bit. So move. Do like a little movement to the back, okay? Put the arms together. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2. Okay, try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. From here, you're gonna go 3, 4. So you're gonna bring your arm up from the elbow, twist your left leg here. Make sure the twist comes from the toes. Lean over to the right. And also we want to keep that bounce. So what we're doing is as we're twisting, we're still bouncing on count 3, which is 3. So your body drops down 3. Switch it to the other side. 4. Okay. So watch it from the top. 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Let's move on to step number 2. Now, step number 2 is actually one of my favorite moves. It's pretty simple. You're not going to start on the count 1. You're going to start on an A count right before. So if you count dance, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or there's and counts in between if you're adding a lot of more movements. 1 and 2 and so. In this case, we're going to start on, I'm going to give you a 5, 6, 7, 8. The step is going to start on and 1. Okay? So what you're going to do is take the left leg back. Okay? You're going to go step back and 1. 1 is the right leg. The end count before that is the left leg. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay, now as you do that, you bring your left arm up. Okay, and then you're going to bring the left leg in on 2. Swing the left arm out. Here, 2. So the step looks like this. And 1, 2, and then you repeat. And 3, 4, and watch, hit, and boom, hit. Okay? So that's the step. You're going and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step. For now, we'll practice it facing front, but it also looks cool when you do it profile. Boom, boom. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So let's work on the actual step itself. Let's take back the left leg on the end count. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Bounce. Now the right leg goes back. And 2. Bounce. And hit. Bounce. And hit. Bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 3. Now step 3 might be the hardest step of this 3 simple moves, but I think if you just focus a little bit on it, you'll get it. It's not going to be as easy as the first 2 steps you did, okay? Here we go. Not to scare you away, but let's give it a try. So you're going to step over with the right leg. We're going to turn our body on 1, 2, okay? So you're going 1, 2. I only want to focus on the feet right now, okay? So don't worry about the arms yet. 5, 6, 7, 8, go right, left. So even though it's just a simple step to the right, just don't do that. Keep that body in that bounce vibe. So you're going step, step. Yeah, so your body's kind of moving and dancing the whole time. So 1, 2. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. From here, you're going to step forward with the left leg. Turn your body a little bit. Okay? So you're going to be kind of facing the back. So 1, 2, you're going to go 3, okay? After 3, you're going to bring your right leg up. So you're going to go hit, up, and up, okay? So 3 and 4 and, good. Remember those and counts we were talking about? We're going to use it here too. So you went 1, 2, 3, up, 4, up. Now my right leg comes up and I'm leaning forward here. And then I bring it down. Now my left leg is going to come up and I'm going to lean back here. So this makes my body move the whole time where I'm kind of moving and dancing and I'm not just in place bringing my knees up, okay? So I'm going step, up, and then from there, since my left leg is up, I'm going to turn around and I'm going to start this whole thing again facing the left side. So step and turn. And now I'm here and I'm going to do the same thing going this way. Right leg first, left leg up, down, up, and then turn back to the same. You got right and step, up, 1 and 2, step, up, 1. This time let's add the arms, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is swing with the right arm as you're moving to the right, and then bring up your left arm and give me a simple snap if you can. If not, just kind of bring it up here, okay? Here we go, 6, 7, 8, you're going 1, 2, okay? So we're still keeping the bounce. Yeah, we're keeping all of that. We're just adding the arms. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go swing. Here. Okay. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. From here, this left arm is going to roll back out. Your arms are going to go swing, swing. Here, here. Okay. Now, you're going to the left side as you lean to the left side, and you bring the arms to the right side as you lean to the right side. Okay. So watch me real quick. We're going 1, 2, 3, up, 4, up, boom, to the and 2. Okay, from here, same thing, we just completed 1 and 2, so we're going to go right into the swing of the arms with the legs. So this is 1, snap, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Here we go. 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2. All right, guys, let's go back to the top. Let's do step 1, 2, and 3 together. Let's start it off slow, and then we'll speed it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step. 2, step, step. 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. New part. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. From the top, all 3 steps. I'll count you in. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, stop. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Hey guys, so that was Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Miran Kirakosian. Today we're going to focus on 3 simple. I want you guys to remember there's a lot of bounce to these steps. So really kind of loosen up your knees, be able to bounce and relax so we could get through it and make these moves smooth. The steps are easy, it's just making it smooth. Okay, here we go. From the top. First step, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going jump. Once you land there, you're going to bring the elbows down and then go 2. That's your bounce. Okay? Let's try that one more time. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. Okay, so I'm keeping a little lean to the right. Yeah, I throw that arm here. So try not to just throw the arm out. It's not that. You actually want to control with the body, so it's always going to look the same. Here, down. Here, down. Let's try with the jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. Good. Now, from here, hopping over to the left side, using the right arm. Here, bounce. Okay? So let's do both sides together, really slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going 1 and down, 2 and down. Easy. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and down, 2 and down. Okay. Let's do that one more time. This time, let's do it for a full 8 count. Okay? Here we go. So we're going to repeat it 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and bounce, 2 and bounce, 3 and bounce, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, bounce, 2, bounce, 3, bounce, 4, bounce. Okay. From here, let me show you the second move, and then we'll come back and connect the two together. Simple. We're still keeping the idea of the bounce. This time the right leg is going to come up. You're going to push the arms down. Bring your body down as well a little bit. So 1, meet in the middle. Here comes the bounce. 2, switch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Here we go, guys. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and good. Let's go to the last step. Same idea here. We're going to work with the legs and the knees again. So you're going to bring that leg up. So we just finished. Here, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going to the right leg. Bring the right leg towards you. Throw the arms down. Pretty much this is the step. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So 2 things need to happen there. We have to have good control of the arms. So we're going out, out, hold, throw. Out, out, hold, throw. Let's do the arms one more time together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, hold, hit. 1, 2, hold, hit. Good. Now the legs. Forget the arms, just the legs. You're going, now you're going to bring the right leg up. You also want to lean towards the right side. So you're going to go lean, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So there's a lean to that. And also we're working with the legs, bringing it down, keeping that balance we talked about in the very beginning. Yeah, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go bounce, 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 bounce. And hit, 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 hit. Good. Add the arms. Let's put it together a little slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Together now. To the very top. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, bounce. 2, bounce. 3, bounce. 4, bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go hit. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's do that one more time together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go hit. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it with music now. Here we go. Let's try with music together. I'll count you in. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, bounce, 2, bounce, 3, bounce, 4, bounce. Go hit. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Let's do it again. Here we go. From the top. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Hey guys, I hope
Guys,
you enjoyed
nagustuhan niyo pa yung dance ko, guys. Guys, hanggang sa susunod na dance lesson namin, guys. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my videos. Bye!